some pissed off flow son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow son.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Today I thought I would talk about childhood memories. I don't think I've ever actually shared a memory before. I don't really have a lot to go off of. But I got this one when I was a kid. Corona. Most of my family on my mom's side, and probably still do, but live out in West Virginia. I remember going out there one year, and I was at my grandma and grandpa's house, and Grandma and Grandpa had that game Yard Darts. I don't know if anybody how many of y'all actually remember Yard Darts? I remember back then when I was a kid, this back in the 80s, the game was actually illegal in a lot of states because people got killed by it. I'll try to find a picture, throw a picture of what Yard Darts was. But so basically you had two giant loops, and I mean I haven't played this since I was a little kid, so I'm trying to remember exactly how big the loops were. I want to say they was like 2 feet, maybe 3 foot round, from side to side in a round circle. And you had big giant darts. I don't remember if you had 2 or if you had 3. I mean, it's kind of like, that fucking, I don't know what that game is y'all play nowadays with the fucking board and the goddamn beanbag and you throw it through the hole. I mean, it's kind of like that. Well, horseshoes, it's kind of like horseshoes, except for you stand a lot farther apart. You take that lawn dart and you chuck that some bitch up in the air, and it was made out of a heavy plastic, and it had a metal sharp tip. And yet the object was trying to land in the circle. One year we was out there, we was playing that, and me and my brother wasn't getting along too well. Kind of fighting. We did a lot when we was kids. But I had pretty sure it was my second throw. I throwed one, kind of got it close to the circle, whatever. But my brother, because we was fighting, he had an attitude going. He was standing real close to the circle. And I did not do it on purpose, but I chucked one of them lawn darts up in the air, and that son of a bitch come down and cracked him right on top of the head. Just right dead center. It made him cry, broke the skin, but that was about it. I mean, I was a little guy then, so I didn't have much oomph on it. But sure shit, it came down and hit him right on top of the head. I giggle about it now, but it happened. But as soon as it hit him, I freaked the fuck out. I went flying for the house, tried to get my mama. Ran into my grandpa, and he wouldn't let me by. I was trying to go around him, go get mom. I didn't want to tell grandpa. He'd beat the shit out of me. I said, move, grandpa, go get mom. What are you doing, boy? What's wrong? Nothing. I go get my mama. I wouldn't tell grandpa. He gonna whoop my ass. I finally got around him, went in and got mom, You know, she's hysterical, come flying outside. My brother was fine, it just broke the skin a little bit of blood, not much. But man, I was all scared of my grandpa whooping my ass. My mom literally beat me up. We grandma and grandpa had these really nice old wooden lawn chairs and recliners in the yard underneath this tree, and I was standing over next to it. Mom come over and she just started wailing on me. She beat the hell out of me. You know, she didn't spank my ass, she smacked me across the face. She gave me a couple gut shots, threw me around, tossed me on the ground. All I remember was picking myself up onto that lawn chair, crying my eyes out, looking around like, what the fuck just happened to me? Those were the days. You actually could beat your kid's ass for doing something and not get in trouble for it. Now all you soft ass motherfuckers that scared to death to even yell at your kid, you wonder why your kid acts like a fucking asshole. That's why. I mean, I'm still an asshole, but you know, I didn't disrespect my elders like these little assholes do now. Moral of that story is, beat your fucking kids, quit being a fucking soft ass. And don't throw yard darts and hit your brother in the head, though. But shit happens. I had to look down my camera to see if I was even fucking recording. I don't talk to none of my family anymore. My brother, I ain't talked to him in like 10 years because he's a fucking douchebag. I haven't talked to my mom in many years, except for recently I sent her a message or two on Facebook the past year. That's about it. Other than that, as far as I'm concerned, I really don't have any family left, except for my dad. We stay in pretty good touch. My stepsister, my half sister in Texas, I kind of stay in touch with her, but I don't. I got friends that are closer than blood. You know? Here I'm telling a childhood story and then I just turn that into something completely fucking different.
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
But I'm okay with it. Shit went down between me and my brother. My mom took sides. I'm the middle kid, you know, so I'm the black sheep of the family. And I'm okay with that. I own it. I got a family of my own. Anyways, you got some crazy childhood stories like that? I don't know why I thought of that one. It just came to mind for some reason. Them clouds temperature cooled off. We didn't have a chance of rain today, but welcome to Missouri. Evidently it's like Florida. Everything's going good, and all of a sudden 2 minutes later you got rain rolling in on you. But of course today it's supposed to be like 92 degrees, 100% humidity. Whoa, 6 gear, what's up? Oh, what's up, man? Yeah, he's on old school something or other. Alright, anyways, I'm done. Time to quit this one. Enjoy the rest of my ride home. I just got the bike inspected, gotta go get it licensed. Well, hopefully I can do it online, and my tags are going to be out of date till my renewals come in, because today's June 30th and it was supposed to be done today. So, but DMV is wow. The DMV is by appointment only, and they are booked up for the next month. Hopefully I can do it online, be done with it. Anyways, so time to end this video. I've rambled on enough, random bullshit coming out of my mouth. If you're new here, check out one of the other vidges. If you like what you see, stick around, hit that subscribe button. If you want, hit that little bell for notifications. If it works, most of the time it does not. Make sure y'all comment, tell me a story, or tell me, hey, I'm gonna make this video, so I know that you are, and I can look out for it. Hit that like button, please. It helps us content creators out immensely. And share the video with anybody you'd like to. I'm not going to list it off this time, except for hookers and pimps. Share it with them. They share it with other people. Share it. Bam! 1,000,000 subs. That's not really how it works. Well, that wind picked up. It's getting windy. I will not end this video at a red light. I refuse to end videos at red lights, so stick around, stick around. Okay, light's green. As always, dream about me. I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.